Hey guys, I'm Aurora. Welcome back to Forest Strategies Resources YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon on all so you will be notified every time we upload a video. If you have a personal request for an indicator strategy to help you trade, you can ask me in exchange for a donation to support our work. Contact me. I leave you my mail in the description below the video. Today, I will show you Parabolic Sar with 50 SMA channel forex system. That is a pure trend following trading system based on the Parabolic Sar filtered in the direction by an average channel of 50 periods of high, low, simple moving averages. In the following image, I will show you the setup of the strategy. Type of system, trend following. Style, day trading, swing trading. Time frame 30 minutes or higher. Best time frame H2, H4, H6, H8 daily. Currency pairs. Volatility pairs Nasdaq 100. Platform TradingView or any. Indicator simple moving average 50 period high. Simple moving average 50 periods low. Parabolic SAR 0.03 to 0.03 to 0.2. TradingView Parabolic Star Strategy 0.03 to 0.03 to 0.2. In the following video, I will show you how I do the setup of the strategy. Trading rules Parabolic Star with 50 SMA channel forex system. Always trade in the direction of the trend. Trend up, price above channel 50 SMA. Trend down, price below channel 50 SMA. Buy, trend up, parabolic SAR long entry, also when the price breaks the line high SMA. Exit when the price is below the low channel SMA. Profit target ratio stop loss 1 to 1.55. Sell, trend down, parabolic SAR short entry. Also when the price breaks the line low SMA. Exit when the price is above the high channel SMA. Profit target ratio stop loss 1 to 1.25. In the following video, I will show you the visual backtest. So, if you're enjoying the content of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us also on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!